12th January 2019 JEE Main Shift 2 question number 14. Let n tends to infinity, n divided by n square plus 1 square plus n divided by n square plus 2 square plus dot 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 plus n divided by 5n square is equal to 4 options are given. Try to solve this. At first, given limit n tends to infinity, n divide n square plus 1 square plus n divided by n square plus 2 square plus dot 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 n divided by n square plus 2n whole square. I arrange 5n square like this. That is, limit n tends to infinity. This becomes summation. We converting this series into summations like that. R equal to 1 to n, 1 to 2n, 1 to up to 2n. The series 1 R equal to 1 to 2n, n divided by n square plus r square. Again we convert this into integrations. Therefore, integration. Now, limit n tends to infinity, r by n. It tends to what? When r equal to 1, it tends to 0. When r equal to 2n, r equal to 2n, it tends to 2, because r equal to 2n, putting this 2. So our limit 0 to 2. Now this one, we form this one as n divide r by n whole square plus 1 into n square. Now n cut. So this becomes 0 to 2. Integration becomes 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Our limit is 0 to 2 and the integration becomes 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now this is very easy. We know integration dx by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse x between the limit 0 to 2. That is equal to tan inverse, putting the limit x is equal to 2, tan inverse 2, tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 0 means tan inverse into tan 0, therefore it becomes 0. That is equal to tan inverse 2. And we reached, it is our answer, and the option is option number 3. That's all.